Christmas, Happy New Year, and welcome to the Jeff Fishing Vlog. I haven't done any fishing in the last couple weeks. I think this is going to be my last fishing vlog of the year.
What? The last one of the year?
Well, it's already December.
Man, I'll tell you what, since it's the last one, you're going to have to give one of them fancy hats away.
I don't know if I'm ready to give stuff away right off the bat.
You remember last time you had that little minnow bucket with all the names in it?
Yeah, I do.
Come here, Nolan. Bring me that bucket. You know, with all the names in it. All the winners, everybody that posts something on there, you know, we got all these names in here. You have to.
You know, when I give stuff away, it's coming out of my pocket,
well,
right?
You know, like, listen. Here you go. Let's see here. Nolan, pull a name out and give it to old cuz here. Pull it out. There you go. Give
Who do we got?
This is my son, Nolan Wilson. I love him to death.
Well, apparently, being how I'm forced to do it, the winner of the last Jeff Fishing Vlog hat giveaway of the year, the only one of the year, is going to be Sean Simmons.
Woo!
Congratulations, Sean.
Congratulations, Sean.
Okay, now can we get back to business?
All right. Hey, thank you, sir. Can we go over and put that back away?
I know you guys have heard plenty of my stories this year, you know, and of course I always love talking about, you know, I had a chance to sit and talk with Jesse. I had a chance to sit and talk with Christopher. Mike wanted to do his talking while we were in the boat. I haven't had a chance to actually just sit and talk with you and tell stories on here, Jason. Do you have a particular catch, whether it's your biggest fish you ever caught or a particular story that you just feel like is one of your favorites?
Well, one that sticks out, it's kind of most recent. We was down at the Kentucky Dam, down Green Rivers and that area.
Bank fishing, I'm assuming?
Yeah, we was out on the pier, and I was actually catfishing. I caught a bluegill earlier and cut his head off. It was just a bluegill head, and I was out there just fishing for catfish.
I love fishing with bluegill heads, whole live bluegills.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Cut bait. It's nice, you know, you're just sitting and waiting for that rod to take off.
Right. Well, I was nobody else wasn't catching anything. And like I said, I was just catfishing, and then I reeled in almost a 5-pound bass. People was out on the boat just looking at me. They were shrugging their heads, looking at each other. People on the bank, the pier, was looking at me, and it was just like, hey, it's not my fault. I was trying to catch a catfish. But, you know, anything that bites, I'm reeling it in.
You know, that's pretty awful that you go and catch this, probably what's the biggest bass you ever caught. Probably fish, you know, kind of a fish. I haven't caught a bunch of big
bass, but it was my biggest bass.
And then you made to feel a little guilty about it because you know all these other people ain't catching
It's all good. Let haters hate.
That's right.
It's all good. It was a good fish though. It was a good time.
Pulling in a lot.
I just thought it was a catfish. Yeah, but I seen the tip, like, I seen me get a bite. It was just because it was out in the current, I guess. I was down at the dam, so I didn't even know I had.
Wow.
It didn't fight.
So it kind of robbed you of the. I got you.
Yeah, like everybody was shocked. I was shocked. So.
I understand the storytelling is not everybody's favorite part, but it really is one of mine. I don't know, I always just like, I enjoy the storytelling anyway. It's always kind of been ingrained. I feel like that's half the fun of going fishing is you always have that feeling of, you know, when I go today, I may have this day that I'll never forget.
Yeah, we're telling good stories, not the one that got away.
Well, we have plenty of those, the one that got away.
And I would have got up to the bank, and they looked at me and said, you know, I got 4 kids and a baby mama at home.
You know what, Riley? Bring me that bucket over here before Jason gets too silly on us. What do you got? You gonna face the camera, dear? Is this what you want me to give away? You pull this right off of my good tackle stuff? We're not giving away the cheap stuff on the last Jeff Fishing Vlog of the year? You guys just think I'm made of money? You know, he already made me give away a hat. Did you know that? Not one of them hats, but one of these good Jeff Fishing Vlog hats.
That's what they're for.
They're not for giving away, they're for wearing and bringing you luck while you're fishing.
Last vlog of the year. Tell them it's special vlog.
Is it the special vlog? Yeah. You think you're special enough to pull a name out of here?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we got.
Miss Roth fishing.
Do you even know who that is? Can you not read it?
I can read the first one.
I see who that is. That is Jaden Perry.
Woo, Jaden.
Power bait.
Congratulations.
Crazy leg, chigger crawl.
Woo.
I have to take you out on the boat one of these lakes and show you how to use one of those. Bye. Hey. One of the things I really enjoy doing is helping other people to catch fish. Is taking people who don't get to go very often, whether they're older or they're younger, or even like I went out with my friend Jaden, who had just won that. We went out on a trip earlier this year. Didn't get to do any recording, but it was pretty heavy wind and didn't seem like a day where you'd actually catch anything. But we played the Jet Fishing Vlog rule of the best time to go is whenever you can, and we managed to luck on to
oh my,
watch out, kids. I needed that on camera.
Did you see that? Look at
A
that.
squirrel just fell out of my tree.
That bird just threw him out.
Hang on.
That's a hawk. That hawk threw him out. He grabbed that squirrel and threw him out. I thought it was going to land on one of their heads.
Me too.
I was trying not to look. I was like, what is that up there? It's a hawk.
Great, that sort of thing. And me and you, we grew up learning how to fish together. We got to go a little with some other people, and he's got something going on over here. What you got, cuz?
The camera can't smell it.
I don't even like him no more.
I was sitting here thinking, it's like, I can't wait till technology has the chance to, like a scratch a sniff
so
at.
we can smell, so we can share the smell with the other fellas.
Smell it.
I'm trying not to. I had a feeling that when you start giggling,
It's the egg roll.
I kind of, the egg rolls. That's why I get to take you out Chinese. Like, here, sit next to me. To show you how stupid I am.
I'm sorry. I couldn't stop giggling.
So, one of the things I like to do here at the Jet Fishing Vlog is I want to be able to help other people. And I understand,
Hey, you like helping people?
I do.
I got an idea. Why don't you give something else away since it's the last vlog of the year?
Oh,
hey,
my
Riley,
God.
Miss Riley, come here. Hurry up, bring that bucket over here. We need to give something away again. This is a special vlog, you said,
It is the last
Come
Jet
on.
Fishing Vlog of 2020.
As soon as Miss Riley fishing here, we're going to draw another name. When
couple
J-Dub's here, we're having a good time.
At least we got us a couple of...
What are we giving away, Miss Riley fishing? Come here, Nolan.
I'm glad that she brought this over here. Because speaking of it being the last fishing vlog of the year, I feel like everybody should start their new fishing year off with... I feel like in the winter, you should change the line on every one of your rod and reels. And this is definitely what I like to use on my spinning
What is that
reels.
anyways? What test?
This is Trilene 8-pound extra.
What kind of test is that?
So, end of the year, we have Trilene 8-pound extra tough. No, not Trilene. It says Berkeley. I've been getting that wrong. Every one of these giveaways, I'm saying pronouncing the name of the product wrong. So we have Berkeley 8-pound. And me personally, like one of the traditions I really like to do, I didn't do it this past year or two, but that's I like to change my line out on every single one of my rod and reels during the winter. That way, whenever I start new in the spring,
Yes.
I have
Very important.
new line. We're not going to worry about one. I have new line, and I don't have to worry about any kinks in my line. I don't have to worry about casting short, weak spots, that sort of thing.
Stress.
So, did we draw a name?
Yes. Jessica Cline.
Jessica Cline.
All right, Jessica.
You'll have to get Chris to put this on one of your nice rod and reels there, I'm sure.
Congratulations.
Get him to take you out on that nice big
Clap
boat
your
you
hand,
got. All right. Would you like to set this off camera for me?
Congratulations.
Oh my gosh, we have a special guest. This is one of my favorite fishing. How we doing, Delilah?
Good.
This is one of my favorite fishing partners. Oh, I got the Jet Fishing Vlog going. Have you got to watch the Jet Fishing Vlog yet? No? Maybe Grandma will let you watch it this evening. I get down there and I catch some fish and I tell some stories. And I got a good story about fishing with this young lady. Me and Debbie were babysitting her one evening. And it's a nice surprise for the last vlog of the year here.
Well, there's another surprise.
What do you got?
Little care package.
Care package for who? For Debbie?
You.
For me?
Both of you.
Is this a get well care package?
Oh, that is so sweet.
This looks like a get well care package for just me.
Hey, you know
Both
what?
of us.
Hey, you know what?
Look.
This can't be more perfect. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. We've been sitting here giving away stuff, and somebody come give you something. You like to help other people, and it comes back home.
I tell you, that's pretty awesome. Love you bunches, Nana and Delilah.
Hey, this is not rigged.
Get well
I
soon.
wrote this.
I love you guys.
And
You're the
the
best.
cursive. I wrote the cursive.
You
too.
wrote the cursive too?
I didn't know how to write Nana's name in cursive.
Well, let me get this story in here before it gets dark and I can't record anymore, okay?
This
Okay.
is karma in
All right.
action.
This is my friend Delilah. Go ahead and face the camera.
Hi.
This is one of my little nieces, my mini little blonde nieces.
I do
So-
magic tricks with him.
So me and Deb took her fishing one day and it was cold. It was probably a little too cold to be taking Delilah fishing. Anyway,
I was like 2, right?
the only thing that she wanted to do was she wanted to play with the nightcrawler. And she said, can I play with the worm? I said, yeah, you can play with the worm. So she picks the worm up and she says, can I put the worm on the table? I'm like, yeah, you can put the worm on the table. So she puts the worm on the table. And then I get up and I'm fishing. She said, can I put the worm on the seat? I said, yeah, you can put the worm on the seat. And she says, can I eat the worm? I'm like, if you insist. She's like, I don't think I'm going to eat the worm.
I don't remember that, so I was probably a little younger than 2.
I'm sure. I think you were like 3. I have a picture of you in your big pink jacket showing me the worm.
Oh, I remember that pink jacket, Nana.
Yep.
We put it in the storage.
But we had so much fun. That was a really good day. I don't think we caught any fish, but
We probably didn't. It was probably a little too cold.
but I'll never forget the she just wanted to put the worm everywhere.
Yeah, I just wanted to.
Cuz you got some big news.
Moving forward for the Jeff Fishing vlog, I enjoy all the back and forth and all the participation, but one of the things I do want to start seeing more of is I want to see other people's catches. You know, I know there are some people watching the Jeff Fishing vlog that are really excellent fishermen, and I'm going to present a challenge to all of my viewers. And this is to the people that I know and even to the people that I don't know. What I'm going to do is I don't have it with me today, but I'll have it by the time of this airing. I'll be able to show a little picture of it at the end. But I'd ordered a little bass trophy that says that's for the 2021 Jeff Fishing Vlog Fish of the Year. So next year I'm going to host a fishing contest, and we're going to run it from April 1st to November 15th. And
Hey,
then
that's
the
why
last
10.
the last 2 weeks of November, I'll run the contest
Yeah, that sounds great.
for people to get a chance to vote on the different pictures. And then in the last vlog of the year, which will be
man, I
sometime
like
in
that.
December,
I like that.
we'll get to announce the winner.
That's gonna be awesome.
They're
Now,
gonna
I
get
look
that
forward to
trophy.
that.
now how you enter is I want a timestamp picture because I want to make sure that you're not sending me old pictures. And I don't think people would really. I want to be able to trust people, but I also want to be able to keep it fair for everybody. But whenever you take a picture with your phone, it'll usually show you where you can have a
It
timestamp.
does.
You know, whenever you look at the
Details.
the details of it, it'll show you. So just take a screenshot of that and send me that, and then send me an actual photo that I can, not an actual photo, but a digital photo that I could share on the Jeff Fishing vlog, so people have a chance to like it.
That's cool. I like that.
And the species isn't going to matter. If it's a big bluegill, if it's a big bass, and I don't care how many times you enter. I just want you to enter, and I don't care to replace entries. If you send me something, if you send me something
Yeah.
fairly early,
Kind of like
and then
a fish on a stringer.
yeah, and you catch
replace the
something
bigger
bigger.
one?
Yeah, you catch something bigger, send me that, and we'll pull the other one, and we'll have the bigger one. And I hope to get quite a bit of participation. But I'll tell you this right now: if one of my favorite fishing shows was, back in the day when I was watching, not back in the day, but back 10 years ago, was Beat Charlie Moore. And this is what I'm gonna say is, I know a lot of you guys out there can fish, but how many of you guys out there are gonna catch a better fish than I catch next year? You had your chance this year because I didn't do very good, didn't do very well. But I'm going to tell you guys, in 2021, I'm going to bring the heat.
Beat Jeff fishing.
So my intentions are, at the end of the year, is I'm going to end up with that trophy. And hopefully it's not because of a lack of competition.
That sounds fun. I look forward to it.
You look forward to it?
Yeah.
Thank you for being on the show today.
Thank you. I enjoy it.
All right. And like I said, Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. And we're all looking forward to 2021.
That's right. And best time to fish is when?
Whenever you can go.
All right. Peace out.